When you shop for a vehicle priced below 200,000 yuan, what are you forcing your family to sacrifice? In this highly volatile, hyper-competitive segment, manufacturers routinely cut corners on underlying structural steel and advanced sensor arrays to preserve profit margins. I am AVA. Today, we execute an uncompromising, analytical safety diagnosis of a vehicle claiming to completely shatter this compromise, the 2026 Shangjie H5. Shangjie boldly asserts they have engineered an absolute, steel-bound safety ceiling for the mass market. But as smart consumers, we must look past the premium branding and aesthetic marketing. We must demand raw, unvarnished data. Can a highly accessible midsize sedan genuinely deliver elite, flagship-tier occupant protection? Or are we looking at basic compliance wrapped in premium sheet metal? Let's analyze the structural nodes. To verify Shangjie's claims, we must strip away the exterior panels and inspect the raw metallurgical skeleton. The 2026 H5 is built upon an incredibly rigid, innovative cage structure where thermoformed, ultra-high-strength steel commands a massive percentage of the critical safety cell. The A-pillars, B-pillars, and lower door sills are reinforced with aviation-grade steel capable of withstanding immense gigapascals of pressure. This layout creates a highly optimized energy dissipation path, channeling severe kinetic forces away from the passenger cabin during offset frontal and high-velocity side impacts. This passive matrix is backed up by an integrated array of safety airbags, including front, side, and extended curtain networks, ensuring that regardless of the crash vector, human biomechanics are fully cushioned against violent deceleration forces. The physical platform doesn't just absorb impact energy, it deliberately deflects it, maintaining structural passenger cell integrity at a standard that completely transcends its pricing tier. Step inside the sanctuary, where safety transitions from pure physical metallurgy into an advanced ecosystem of digital control and biological defense. The 2026 Shangjie H5 interior moves away from chaotic legacy button layouts, centering the human interface around a massive, high-resolution vertical floating touchscreen display. This central interface acts as the command core, concentrating primary vehicle parameters into a single, glance-optimized digital hub that drastically reduces dangerous driver distraction loops. Every surface your hands encounter reflects a deep engineering commitment to non-hazardous material selection. Premium, soft-touch eco-conscious leathers and specialized composites line the cockpit matrix, having undergone strict manufacturing cycles to guarantee the complete elimination of toxic chemical outgassing, even when parked directly under intense solar radiation for extended periods. True health security, however, demands an active biological defense network. The climate matrix is paired with an advanced, high-density PM 2.5 air filtration system and an integrated, medical-grade negative ion generator. This setup continuously scrubs microscopic dust particles, hazardous industrial soot, and allergens before they can ever compromise your respiratory system, maintaining mountain air purity inside the cabin plane. But let us analyze the worst-case mathematical vector. What happens if an unavoidable, high-velocity impact occurs? The moment onboard sensors register a critical deceleration pulse, the H5 shifts into an automated, post-crash survival and extraction protocol. Within milliseconds of airbag deployment, the intelligent telemetry network executes a sequence of vital safety overrides. First, it cuts off high-pressure fuel lines and isolates electrical circuits to eliminate post-collision thermal risks. Second, it initiates an immediate door lock override, physically popping all locks to ensure passengers are never trapped and granting external first responders unhindered access. Finally, the integrated emergency communication node instantly broadcasts a high-priority distress signal via secure satellite links, directly relaying exact GPS coordinates and impact parameters to local emergency dispatchers, drastically minimizing the critical medical response window when every single second counts. But passive crash structures only matter if your active defense layers fail. The 2026 Shangjie H5 establishes an incredibly dense network of preventative technology driven by an advanced sensor fusion array that combines millimeter-wave radar networks with a multi-camera vision matrix to scan its environmental boundaries in real time. The Autonomous Emergency Braking Loop, or AEB, works in absolute harmony with the forward collision warning system. What makes this network stand out analytically is its predictive lane keep and adaptive cruise control logic. Where lesser systems blind out under dark highway conditions or chaotic cross-traffic bottlenecks, Shangjie's algorithms calculate target velocity vectors in milliseconds, initiating pre-crash brake priming and automated steering corrections before the human nervous system can even register the threat, shifting the parameter from surviving an accident to preventing its existence entirely. The 2026 Shangjie H5 is a clinical, refreshing disruption to the sub-200,000 Yuan segment. By refusing to compromise on metallurgical density, deploying flagship-tier sensor fusion, and engineering an automated post-crash survival matrix, Shangjie has built an authentic, highly rational safety sanctuary. It proves elite occupant protection shouldn't be a luxury reserved for high budgets, but an absolute baseline standard. To keep your technical parameters synchronized with global engineering, stay locked to this node. Subscribe to Vision Effect TV now. Activate the notification node. See you in the next simulation.